Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. You are currently joining me on a absolutely gorgeous South Carolina June afternoon. We are heading down to Chester, South Carolina to check out two lakes. They're called Mountain Lake 1 and 2. Odd part about it is I don't think there's any mountains there. That's just the name of them. I found out about these lakes from the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources website. The larger lake has a paved boat ramp, so that's probably the one we're going to check out. The small lake is about 7 acres. The larger lake is about 40 acres. A strange caveat to this lake is that it is not open to fishing on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. So fortunately for us, today is Tuesday, which means we're gonna kill it. So thanks for tuning in. Today right here, it ain't much, but and it figures this crazy Russian song's playing right now. He's healthy. I just saw some jumping over here, and it's like some schooling bass, and just on a whim I threw my bait over there, and sure enough landed one. Well, I didn't land one, I got one. Okay, don't do it. No, come here. Come here. Come on. I got him. That's a much better one. Look at that guy. There we go. Heck yeah. That's a nice little fish. I got one. I don't know what's going on. He's like way deep. He's going down it. There he goes. Look at that. I'm in that same spot I was at earlier. I've caught all these fish in. I feel like staying down deep. Here he comes. Hey, he's a good sized one too. Ah, got him. Hell yeah, look at that good guy. Dude, I'm killing him. Whew. Man, he came right off of that too. Look at that guy. All right, I've been catching those on just the 6.5 inch. I'm gonna try this little one. Zoom green pumpkin with the yellow chartreuse tail, and using some Berkeley Gulp garlic. It's so delicious. I use this on my pastas. Whoa, Nelly, he's a biggin'. Whoa, he's a biggin'. Oh, come on. This is a biggin'. Man alive, he's a biggin'. He's a biggin'. Come on. Holy hell, yeah! Yes, 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 yes. Look at that guy. Holy hell, look at that mouth. Yes. Yes. Holy hell, look at that guy. Look at him. Ah, you're beautiful. We're gonna get him back in the water here. That was awesome. Every time I think about leaving this spot, I catch another fish. Now this one's the smallest one of the day, but I cannot believe how many fish I have caught in this little spot here. Even though I didn't get that one to the boat, I'm not all that upset because he was a little one, but man alive, this, I have no clue what's going on in this little area here, but they are absolutely stacked up to the point that it's almost not even fun because there's no challenge here. Long and short of it, the Mountain Lake #1 first time visit has been awesome. Absolutely awesome. You guys got to come out here and try this. Look at this monster. I was about to say I hadn't caught anything in a while. I ain't even gotten a bite. Tiny little guy. Little. But if you hold it up close to the camera, it looks huge. Big old hawk right there. I don't know if you can see in the water, there's a beaver making his way across the lake. Holy crap, guys. I cannot say how much fun this lake was. I'm so glad I came out here. My only regret is that I'm out of daylight. I had so much fun out here. Just to summarize what we had, this place is awesome. It is Mountain Lakes 1 and 2. This is in Chester, South Carolina. Look in the comment section, look in the summary section. I'm going to put the address of the lake on there so you can know how to get there. They have a boat ramp. It's easy to get to. You can load your boat right into it. It's been incredibly quiet and peaceful. No wakes. The boats out here, you are allowed to bring a boat. However, it is electric trolling motors only and paddling only. So it's incredibly quiet, incredibly peaceful. I just had the best day. I mean, this was absolutely fun. I highly recommend you come out here and try this out. I told myself that I wasn't gonna do repeats of fishing spots. However, because there are 2 lakes, Mountain Lake 1 and 2, I think I can justify another trip out here to try out the other lake. Today I was on the Mountain Lake 1, which is the 40-acre lake. And man, I had a blast, man. I was killing them too. Not only is it beautiful out here, not only is it quiet and scenic, man, I was catching some fish. I mean, absolutely catching them. So, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be checking out some other fishing spots, and hopefully I'll see you out there on the water. Take care, guys. I didn't have my GoPro on because I was on my way in, and I looked up with another one. Look at this. Holy cow. Yeah. Holy crap, this place is awesome. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Sunset, fishing. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do one more release.